Hi, how do you build a big business or really achieve any big goal? Hi, my name is Regitze and I share these little videos around business, money and mindset every day. So if you like content like this, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. But let's dive into it. How do you build a big business or achieve any big goal? Well, it's all about goal setting. First of all, you have to know where you're going. So you have to set a long-term goal like 10, 20 years out in the future. Where do you want to go? What do you want to achieve? But that's not enough. You have to break it down. You have to break it down into a goal in 5 years or 3 years, even, and yearly goals. And even further than that, break it down into monthly goals, weekly goals, and even daily goals. Even you can break it down into hourly goals. Because just having a long-term goal is not going to take you there. It's going to be too overwhelming. You have to break it down into baby steps. So comment below what you've done, and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Take care. Bye.